Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. Question 100. Question 100. So this instruction here say fill each number gap with the most appropriate options, and this is the last question under this instruction, which is question 100. And the statement here say finally dash. You have answered this number 99. I will say the correct answer here is prescribe. Finally, prescribe medicine for a full-blown attack of malaria should be completed even after dash have disappeared. Option A, infections. B, pains. C, signals. D, signs. E, symptoms. We are not talking of infection, so you cannot. There's not like pain, not signal, not sign, but was symptoms. Even should be completed even after symptoms have disappeared. When the symptoms, the signs of malaria is no longer there, the prescribed medicine should be made sure that it is used from A to Z. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.